Hello, in this video I will show you how you would use the file site integration that I talked about in my other video. And if you haven't checked out that video yet and you need to set up file site integration, again, file site is a document management. You can look at my other video available in my YouTube channel. So I'm really just picking that up and I just want to show you how the file site integration works with work allocation and recruit. So I'll show you in two different tabs. So again, in here we have the file site setup that we've already properly set up here with the server, database, and session name, and the right template as well, and it will go to an NRL file. So if you move to work allocation now, let me just click on just any work allocation process. The file site integration really will show when you add a new project, or even if you were to go to an existing project. Let's actually just go to an existing project. So I'll try and find an existing project here. There you go. So let's say you have an existing project here called 110 Bloor. So you see documents here. So when you go to the documents tab here, once the file site is enabled here, so you see that you can update it whether to disable or enable it, and you set it to 1 if you want to enable it. Once that's enabled, you will see this in the project in a work allocation process. So when I was referring to the aliases, so you see this is alias for document number, alias for library or database, and alias for this. So these three strings here, these three texts here, that is reflected here. So doc number, library, and this is a really it's used for explaining to your users like what you need them to put in here. So for example, then once we update this to, let's say, to document number, and then let's say we make this a little bit more explain it a little bit more, put a little bit more explanation here. So let's say document libraries, please pick or please copy and paste the library you need. Click update and reload system variables. Again, I might actually have to go back out and search for project again, and we'll find that same project again. Documents. So you see now that name has changed. It's actually the name that I've just changed or updated in the configuration there. So what you need to do then really just put type in a meaningful title, test file, and the document number. So you need to know the document number from file site itself. Once you know the file site document number, you can put it in here. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click add, and there you go. So this is your file site document. This is really a pointer file, and what that means is if I click this, you see this, so it actually will generate an NRL file, and it's really a pointer file to the actual file site location. So I don't have FileSite installed in my computer, but if I do, once I click this NRL file, it will point me to the FileSite document, and then it will open up the document itself. What's interesting is this. So if I open this up, just give me 1 second. I'm opening. There you go. So this is the NRL file, and as you see here, these are all the settings that we set up in the configuration there. And this specific format needs to be the specific format that your file site will take. So that is how you would do that. That is how you would use the file site integration in work allocation. In my other video, I'll show you how to use that in Recruit as well. Bye.